Hello, my lovely creatures. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. If you're new here, this is your girl RosesGlam. Yeah, it's been a long time I've not done a video, and I assure you, from today henceforth, I will go back to my normal self. I think I'm getting myself right now, and I'm much stronger than previously. A lot of things had happened, that kept me away from YouTube. And yeah, it's personal things. It's not something that happened that you bring on social media. Nevertheless, let's go ahead to make today's video. If you watch my previous video, I've been saying that I'm going to revamp my makeup box. I'm going to clean up. I'm going to do all those stats. But today, that is what we're going to do today. Yes, it's what we're going to do. So without so much talk, without so much wasting you guys' time, let's go ahead and see what is in this makeup box and see what we can do away with and continue our makeup. All right, so as you can see on the table here is part of the makeup things I brought. I'm going to clean and throw the ones I can throw away. I've not been able to do anything. The makeup thing has been everywhere. Okay, and here goes my makeup box. I know most of you have not seen this. So this is my makeup box. I'm going to open it so that you guys can see what's inside. So here you can see everything is everywhere like this. Everything is everywhere. I'm going to clean it up, like I said, throw the ones I can throw away and arrange the box. This is another one. Here we go. As a matter of fact, I need to do some washing as well. So here we go, and here is the bottom of the box. I'm going to get rid of a lot of things because they are not well kept. Or some of the foundation, some of the foundation, some of the liner, some of the concealer, they are all dried up. For instance, this one, this cost me a lot, but I just found out that is all dried up. Honestly, it's been a long time I've not done a proper makeup. See, they're all dried up. I can't use it again. I have to throw this away. And I bought it. I did use it for a long time. It's all dried up. So this is Jeffree Star. So I don't know if there is a way you can do it, to make use of it. If you can, just let me know if you're living in UK, a place in England, a place not far from me. I live in Colchester. You let me know. I can, ship them to you. So those are the things that's all gone wrong. I have to get rid of them. See, makeup brush everywhere, which is not supposed to be so. They gave me this where I went to school. I don't know. I think it's lashes. Yeah. I've not even used it. Alright guys, I'm gonna allow you guys to watch what I do. To be quite honest, I couldn't do anything with the whole thing like this. It's not arranged. Some of the things are dirty, some of the things are dry. Like I said before, there's nothing I can really do other than to just tidy up everything before I can do anything. When you are seeing this video, it's not when I recorded it. It's because of time. I wasn't able to edit it on time. The videos that you saw me posting, this video I made it before those ones I just posted. So just watch me. Let's do clean up and see how far we can go and see what we can get rid of and what we're going to keep. Okay.
Didn't know what to say, I was taking the train one way. Never thought I'd see you again. Never thought I'd see you again. Coming up short, I didn't have a choice but to let it go. You never let me explain myself. Explain myself. floating away. I wish that I knew what to say now. You're getting too close, too close. Well, I know we are about to clash, but don't you worry, cause we still got a chance. Baby, don't lose your faith. Don't lose your faith. And everything that I said, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head. Now I'm leaving behind all the things I had in my mind. I'm changing my ways, I'm floating away. I'm floating away. What you see now? You're getting too close. Didn't know what to say, I was taking the train one way. Never thought I'd see you again. Never thought I'd see you again. Coming up short, I didn't have a choice but to let it go. You never let me explain myself. Explain myself.
So guys, I'm done cleaning the makeup boxes and the palette bag, as you can see. So what is left to be done is the brushes. Of course, if you've been following me right from day one, you will know that I have made 1 or 2 videos of how you can clean up your brushes. But in case if you've not seen them, I'm going to leave the link up there. Just visit the video. I'm sure you will like it and it will be useful to you. So these are the things I'm going to throw away as you see them. Both the magnesium milk, it has expired. I bought 2 of them. It has expired. Those are the things I'm getting rid of. And here are the brushes. These ones are dirty, but the ones in the box are very clean. So this is the end of our video. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget.
My
I love
head
you guys.
spinning round in my head.